Awake again, huh? Might have to dose you at the next rest stop.
Where are we going?
Oh, you know where.
Fuck, I feel hungover.
Told you it's good shit.
Haven't felt hungover in years, and you know I don't miss it. Not even a little. West, huh? Staying off the major roads. Smart. Crownville, New York.
Who are you?
I'm the guy that killed your friends.
It's nice to meet you. Neat trick. Haven't seen this one before.
Want to see one more? Don't imagine Rose will be too happy if you shoot the prize.
I don't suppose Rose will be happy about any of this. And when that woman gets mad, well, seems to me you know enough to know you might want to sit this one out. Count your blessings, go on your way. What's so funny, friend?
Well, it's just arrogance. It's arrogance, really. But it makes sense if you think you're gonna live forever. Stands to reason. Of course you wouldn't wear your seatbelt. Dan? Dan?